Hey guys, Bryce here. Just going to show you in VB.net how to make a simple web browser. Now, I've got Visual Studio, so I've got all the icons in this file here, but you might not have that. So I'll upload the icons I'm using in a folder called web browser. I'll just get them. Oh wait, I've got it from here. Just go preview and I'll find the icons. Well, first we want a back button, so that's good, or you can get a green one. I'm just going to use that. So that's just back.png, so look for back, back, there. Copy that and paste it into this folder. Now I'm going to find forward. If there's a back, there's got to be a forward.png. Okay, here. Paste that. We want refresh. I'm just going to get that one. It's not that good, but it's alright. And then we want back. Now I know for a fact there's no back in this folder, so I'm just going to go Windows Vista, and there's oh, not back, stop. I'm just going to type in close, and that's called close something. That's black. Copy. Where is it? Copy. Paste. Okay, that's the 4 images we're going to be using. Oh, we want to go. Sorry, we want a go button, don't we? Oops. Yeah, actions. That's it. PNG, Office, and then I'm just going to go through here and try and find a go button. It'll be like, I'm just going to use the play button. That's in Visual Basic. The like run debug button, that one. Alright, that one. So it's play HS, so play HS. Copy that, paste it, and now we're going to open Visual Basic or whatever you have. Wait for it to load. Okay. Make a new project. Call it web browser or whatever you want. Okay. And just wait for that to load. Resize it. Maybe add some text. Gonna call it that. I added a web browser in LimeEdit, and I'm just going to pretty much copy that. Make the icon my LimeEdit one. Okay, now we're just going to scroll down and look for tool strip, I think it is. Yeah, tool strip. Add one in. Click the add button. Going to change the text to back. And change the image. Import resource. Go to our desktop or wherever you saved the file. Go to web browser, and this is going to be back. Okay. Forward. Make sure you change the text, or when you put your mouse over it in the actual browser, it's going to say tool strip menu item, and that doesn't really look too good. Okay. If you can hear my mum, sorry. Refresh. Refresh. Okay. Sorry if I'm hurrying. I'm just trying to hurry because my mom's making a lot of noise and she might ruin my tutorial. Oopsie. Not text box. Oh, this box or whatever that was. Okay, now I'm just gonna add the stop one. Okay, picture. close, that's it. Put that behind that. And here we're going to add text box. Click on the text box and change the size to 300. Then add a button at the end. Actually, I'm going to make that 500. Make it bigger than I want to it. And make that go. And change that to the go image. Play HS. That's it. I'll rename them like go, stop. I'll do all that for you. Now we're just going to scroll down and add a web browser. Okay, now it's starting to look pretty good. Double click the back button and go web browser 1.back. Double click forward, web browser 1.forward. Oh no, it's go forward, isn't it? And go back. So not can go, go. Fail. Web browser. Sorry about that. Dot refresh. Don't click that. Oh, actually yes. Web browser 1.stop. Okay, now we're going to go and change this text to the home page. Don't have to, but you can if you want. Double click on the web browser and go tool strip. Tool strip text box 1 dot text equals web browser 1 dot URL dot toString, and that'll make it so when the document finishes loading it changes the URL of that to in your text box. We're gonna add a timer now. Not making it too fancy, but on form load we're gonna go timer 1 dot start. We're gonna add another private sub form 1 underscore close. We don't need that, but I'm adding it anyway. My base dot closing, and then we're gonna go timer 1 dot start, and that's just when it starts. Yeah, you get the point. Double click this and go if tool strip menu, no, tool strip button, oh it's button 1 dot, wrong thing, sorry, if web browser 1 dot can go back, then tool strip button 1 dot enabled equals true, else tool strip button 1 dot enabled equals false. Now we're going to add another one of them if web browser 1 dot fail. I'm rushing. Can go forward, then tool strip button 2 dot enabled equals true, else tool strip button 2 dot enabled equals false. Okay, then we got that. Pretty much done now. Now I'm just going to test it out. First we're going to change the URL of the thing to what you put in the text box. Okay, and I'm going to change it so when you first make it, it's maximized. full screen. It's loading. Okay, it's loaded. Notice you can't click forward and back, but if I click about, then the back button becomes enabled. If I click back, then forward one and the back one's. But if I go here, and I click back and forward are enabled. You can go back again, forward. Google.com. Don't know why that's not working. Edge. I know why. Click that. That's one thing we've got to code. The go button. Okay. Sorry about that. Web browser 1.navigate. And then do them. And inside here write tool script text box 1.text. Okay, and then you can run it again. Sorry. Totally forgot about that. I thought I coded all the buttons straight away. Okay, now I can go to Google. And notice it changes to HTTP, www automatically. That's refresh the page. It's pretty good browser for just like a 5-minute browser or whatever this tutorial's been going for. It doesn't tell me. You can view images. Yeah, view images. Oh, it also comes up with scripts if there's an error. You can right click, save picture. Everything Internet Explorer can do because it's running an Internet Explorer thing. But you can you could also add. I'm supposed to be doing this anyway. That's what I was just thinking of saying, but I couldn't say it because I forgot what I was saying. Look for. You'd add a menu strip, and it would go above this. So you could go File. Page as HTML. You'd add stuff like that, or you could add just exit, and then close, and then add an edit. Select all. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know if web browser 1.select .all. No. I don't know what that does. Don't know what this is going to do. So I'm just going to get rid of it. Okay, anyway. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I'm pretty much started making tutorials again because all my friends want to start learning VB. Anyway, thanks for watching. Also, just before I go, I'm going to delete all this. And view the code. Delete all the code. And I'm just going to show you how to use resources. Well, it's just going to be quick before I leave. I'm going to add a web browser in the form, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to my project, and on the side I'm going to click resources. I'm going to delete all the resources I got in there now and add a new text file. I'm going to name it HTML, and this is helpful. You don't really need a title, but you could go body, background color equals black, font color equals 1. I'll just add a couple of things, and then I'll go center and header 1 edit. Okay, now that's just simple HTML. You could like code that easy, but then if you could go back here and you double click the form, so it's form load, and you go web browser 1 dot document text equals my dot ref resources dot html. Okay, then you can load the form, and as soon as it opens the HTML that I typed into that. The about window in LimeEdit uses a .text file to load the scrolling text that you can't select or anything. I coded that in HTML, and yeah, it scrolls down and you can't select the text. I use the web browser control, so you can't right click. I just found that the easiest way to be able to make it scroll, so I use that. So if you got a control you can control something in HTML that you want to be able to control in a form. What I would do is I would make the background color of your form this, like, I think the background color of I think something like that. No, that's not it. But anyway, that's like, I can't remember what color it is, but this color, background color of the form, the default one is that, and then you can just use that. This is, you notice this is 3.0, LimeEdit 3.0. I'm just going to make a video straight after this one demonstrating some of the new features in 3.0, so I'll just do that now. Okay, see you guys.